In my take-home assignment, I like to examine elephants in order to try to mimic some ecological theories. It is true that the main challenge of this exercise is to address how these behaviors of the mentioned creature can be properly linked to the field of finance. More importantly, accurately applied to somehow explain or predict the whole or a part of investor behaviors in real life. Firstly, to tackle the question, some elephant distinguished features will be examined. For example, its long trunk, enormous size, or even wide tush will be brought down to the use as well as benefits or drawback of having them. Along with analysis of these characteristics, their daily habit, seasonal activities, and surrounding habitat should be included for insight about the trade-offs that this animal has to cope with in their daily life. After doing so, simple comparison and linking to financial factors could be shaped. In naive assumption, according to the optimal foraging theory, elephant energy consumption, foraging rate can be seen as capital and cash flow respectively. In order to possess enormous size, which might be the result from more food preservation or protection methods against predator, elephant must be fed with equal larger amount of food and water compared to other animals. This could be an evidence to support the hypothesis of bad hedging in ecological finance. Furthermore, while some of those features may vary between numerous types of elephants across different environments and geographical areas, this evidence might be somehow fit into the categories of bad hedging, natural selection, or even weather and animal behavior. All of the part could be done quite easily through vast resources such as magazine, books, or online stream like Google, video on YouTube, or social network. Secondly, the most important part of this is to replicate this comparison and linking, which could be suitable to somewhat explain or maybe further forecast the financial movements given the fact that investor action under limited resources such as capital, require rate of return, and current economy status like inflation rate, expectation, or explosion or recession phase of the economic cycle. This part of the exercise, deep understanding about the main idea developed by particular ecology theory that adopted by the above linkings with elephant is quite essential. Truly said that action taken by animal is somewhat natural instincts. They need to balance their needs of food, energy to survival, while reproduction duty is crucial under the circumstance that natural resources are limited, which are shared by numerous of others, and the constant danger coming from competitors or its enemies. Although may fit well into the categories of financial market where individual investor or firms endlessly are on the search for profit or hedging opportunities, when it is true that somebody else's loss. Therefore, study elephant behavior could be applied to some of the theories with the restriction of applied in the right circumstance.